Hi folks, this video is to show you how to customize the curriculum in the platform for Summit School of the Poconos. Since we teach multi-age groups, I'm going to show you how to create a new course, fill it with content from the base curriculum from Summit Learning, and then copy it for each grade level that's represented in your class. So first thing is you're going to the courses pages of your platform, and here you're going to see that there's a drop-down menu right here that says Summit School of the Poconos. If you click that, you can also access the base curriculum, but for now we're going to stay on Summit School of the Poconos, and we want to create a whole new course, something that doesn't just say, for example, History 5 or English 6, but something that really represents our grade level groups. So I've already created this course called 5-6 ELA 2018-19. I like to make it very specific when I name the course so that there's no confusion in my list of courses. Right now I'm going to show you how to create a course by I need to create a course for my 9th and 10th graders for history. So I'm going to add a course up here at the top. I'm going to name the course 9-10 History 2018-19. I'm going to select a subject from the drop-down menu, and I'm going to select a grade level. You cannot select multiple grade levels, but I'm going to show you why this is helpful later on. So I'm going to start with 9th grade, because there are 9th graders in there this academic year. I'm not right now going to allow other schools and districts to use this course because I just want to kind of see how it goes for us in Summit School first. Click Add Course. And then if we go down to 9th grade, we see the course is now showing up in my courses page. Then I would click on it, and then I would start adding projects from the base curriculum. I'm not actually going to build this course right now, but I am going to show you how to populate your course with projects from the base curriculum. I'm just going to do it with a different course. So I'm going back to my courses page. I'm on Summit School of the Poconos here, and I haven't finished building my 5-6 ELA course, so I'm going to go ahead and edit that course. So I click on the course, then I click Edit Course, and over here in my other window, I want to make sure I'm at the base curriculum. I have already put some 5th grade projects into this course, as well as a 6th grade project, and I'm going to add one more 6th grade project. So in the base curriculum from Summit Learning, I'm going to go to 6th grade English and open up that course, and I'm going to add a project from that course to my course for Summit School of the Poconos. So the first thing we see is the name of the project, right? And then down here we see that there's this message that it belongs to the base curriculum, and if we want it for our own school, we need to make a copy. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this project, and I'm doing it for 5-6 ELA, so I'm going to click on that, click Copy. And then you're going to see it appear here once I refresh this page after the copy has been made. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. And there is the project that I just copied. But now there are another couple of steps that I'm going to do to make sure that the project is complete in my course and that my students can access the most updated focus areas. So I'm going back to the base curriculum version of this project, and I'm making sure that I'm in Project Overview. If this is blue, then that's what we're in. And I'm going to scroll down to where I see the focus areas. So notice this project has some power focus areas and some additional focus areas. To make sure I have the most updated versions in my course, I'm going to click on each of these and make a copy. I'm going to click all the power focus areas and all the additional focus areas. And then I'm going to refresh the page over here so you can see how they show up in our course. Then there will be one more step. So one more time, I'm going to show you that I scroll down, have to make sure we're in the base curriculum version of the project and not in the copy that we made. Otherwise, we may not have the most updated focus areas. Come down the focus areas, click on the next one, click copy focus area, choose the course we're copying it for, click save. And then we're just going to use the back button to get back to that base curriculum version of the project and continue that process. I'm going to pause the video until I've copied all of these focus areas into my course. Okay, now that I have copied all of the focus areas from Living the Good Life into my 5-6 ELA course, I am going to refresh this page so that we can see them all in the focus areas section. We want to be able to see and make sure that we have all the focus areas from the project. Oh, I copied argument writing 6 twice. I thought I might have done that. So I'm just going to take one of those out by clicking the little X here. Okay, so mechanics 6 is there, audience and purpose 6, argument writing and sentence pattern 6. And then notice the additional focus area shows up in the power focus area section when you first copy them over, and we have to manually move that to the additional section. And I want it to be the last one because I want them to be in order of the projects. Okay, so you need to just grab and drag into the additional section. Some projects have challenge focus areas, or you can assign challenge focus areas. This one doesn't. So there's one more step to this part before we finish editing. We want to go into the project up here and click on the link that says 5 focus areas change, because for some reason when you first create the course and update the focus areas, they all show up in this category called other. And that's a problem because then you and your students cannot see which focus areas are power, and they count. There were 30% of the grade, 21% of a student's grade, and additional make up the final 9% out of the 30% for focus areas or content knowledge. So we want to make sure these are designated. So we have to basically take all of these things that are checked here, find them in the power and additional sections, check them up there, and then take these checks out. So here we go. Power focus areas, mechanics 6, audience, purpose, argument, writing, and sentence patterns. They're already organized here because we did it on the previous page, but for some reason they're just not checked. And then types of evidence in additional. So now we can just uncheck all of these, and that's important too because otherwise they're all going to be showing up on your courses page. Update, and then you're done with that. Click Finish Editing. And your course is complete. Okay, now since we have, like I said, multi-age groups, we want to go, whoops, I did not mean to go back, sorry. I meant to open up my menu here and go back to my courses page, and I want to make sure I'm on Summit School of the Poconos, and right now I can open this window a little bit bigger. So I created the 5-6 ELA, and it shows up in it shows up in 5th grade, but it's not yet showing up in 6th grade. So what I want to do is click on this course and click copy course so I can make a copy of it for the 6th graders who are in the 5-6 ELA class. Okay. Click copy course, click academic year. You want to name the course exactly the same because it's for the same class, and it's going to be, hold on, ELA 2018-19. It gives you a message. It's going to have the same name. Yes, that's okay. Copy it. But then what you need to know is when you're on your courses page, that course that you just copied is going to show up in 5th grade. So there's one more step. I'm just refreshing the page until it shows up. It does take a few moments. Let's just pretend they're both here right now. So they would 5-6 ELA would be showing up in 5th grade 2 times because the course has been designated, there it is, okay, as a 5th grade course. Remember when we made, let me go back for 1 second. Remember when we made this 9-10 history course and we look at settings, we had to choose a grade level for it? Well, we choose the grade level and it's going to show up for all of our 9th graders. But since we also have 10th graders in that same course, maybe I'll just do it with this course. We want to, oh my gosh, I keep doing that. Open this up, go to courses. We want to, where is it? I'll just take this one because I already made a copy. We're going to open up the course, click Edit Course, and click Settings. And now this 5-6 ELA course that is showing up in 5th grade, the copy I made of it is going to show up in 6th grade once I change the grade level. Click Save. And finish editing. And then on my courses page, we will see the 5th grade now doesn't have 2 copies of the same course anymore. It has 1. And the copy that we just changed to 6th grade is showing up in the 6th grade course. So 6th grade students are going to see that. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, or if you have any questions, or you just want me to sit with you while you do the first few steps of creating your own course, it's fine. Just get in touch with me, come to my room, get me in the hallway, whatever, email me. All right. I hope all's well. Bye.